Hi guys, welcome to this video about how you can make sure that the Sandboxie sandbox is working when you're not sure about that. Sometimes you have the situation that it shows the browser like this without a yellow frame and you're not sure if the sandbox is running. I mean, you don't know if you are secured within the sandbox, and of course you can invoke the options just by typing sandbox, and then you have the sandbox configuration. You can go to default box, sandbox settings, and here you have the border which you can check or uncheck. If it's not working, I highly recommend to uncheck, check again, select the color or just press OK and then press OK and apply and close it, and usually, as you can see, it is working again, at least when you touch the title, like the top of the page, then usually it works. But sometimes you really don't have the situation that even when you touch it, it doesn't show you the border. I had this a couple of times. It is annoying. Sometimes I don't know why that happens. So there's an easier way how to check that. Actually, let's say you are on Google. You open google.com, you right click on that. Yeah, should be able to work. I don't know why it's not working now. I'm having a little bit problem with that. Sometimes I have to refresh. Okay, now it seems to work, and I can click on save image as, and I go a little bit down so you can see that. I click on save and it tries to download the Google icon, and it will say failed insufficient permission. If you wouldn't be in a sandbox, then it would download that PNG, the Google logo, without any problem. So if you see the failed insufficient permission, so you know you're in the sandbox. Depending on the options you have, it can be a little bit different. Sometimes it will ask you if you want to release this. I mean, yeah, or at least a couple of weeks ago or months ago with an old version it was like this. I don't know why it's changed, but it was usually that you have been able to download and it said downloaded. There was no error message, but after that it immediately asked you if you want to release it to the computer. I mean, it was downloaded but in the sandbox, but you couldn't access it from anywhere else in the computer. So but you will definitely see a huge difference to the normal settings. When you're in a normal browser, it won't ask you anything and it won't say failed. So here you can be 100% sure that you are in the sandbox. So just wanted to show you that as a small help if you need that, and I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.